Hey, welcome back. You are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host. It's Paul Motley here again with another daily podcast, and I am so excited, literally so excited. There is something coming up real soon, and I've just been told about it, and it's kind of like I'm in the fortunate position where I get to find out certain things before they get announced, and I would love to be able to tell you exactly what it is, but I can't because, I would betray that trust that people have in me. But needless to say, something big in ClickFunnels is happening next month, and I would really love you guys to be part of it. So what I want you to do is this. I want you to hit me up on Facebook and send me a message and say, I'm in, right? That's as simple as I can make it. Just say, I'm in, and I will know that you've listened to this podcast and you are ready, right? Because this is going to be something insane. You are going to get something incredible that is going to make a massive difference to you in 2021. And I wish I could give more details about it. I really do. But I've just got off message and I thought, I've got a podcast about this. I've got to tell people about it. But I can only give so many details. Let's just say someone in the internet marketing world, okay, it's Russell Brunson, right, is going to bring out something so incredible. I'm stuck for words. I really am stuck for words. So if you want to hear about this before anybody else, all you've got to do is send me a message on Facebook. You can find me. It's very simple to do. Paul Motley. Yeah, you see my picture. You know which one I am, right? Send me a picture, a direct message. Just say I'm in, and then I'm not promising I'm going to give you all the details, but I will make sure that you are the first to know. And I'm talking about, this is sort of stuff that people don't get to hear about, right? So this is so cool. And I'm so excited, right? So it's going to be a super short podcast about it today because there's only, over the last 25 years of marketing, there's only been like one, maybe two times this sort of thing has come about that I've been literally blown away already, and I have to get this information to you because it's almost a moral obligation to get it in front of you so that you can benefit from it. Right, so it's a super short podcast tonight, but please do yourself a favor, let me help you and get yourself into my inbox right now with the words I'm in. Okay, that's it for now. Like I said, find me on Facebook, send me a message, and then let's crack this on. Let's do this. It's going to be so cool. You are going to thank me 5 times over for it once you find out exactly what we're talking about here, okay? Right, I'm out, and I will catch up with you all on Messenger, if not by tomorrow.